If you look at the back side, this is just what we were doing yesterday. So we start with the 55 and then we cross off 21. So we cross off 1, 1, and we cross off 2 tens. Now how many tens are left? 3 and 4. Next one, I have 26 minus 13. So I'm going to cross off 3 ones. That leaves me with 3. And 1 10, which leaves me with 1. On the next problem, I have 46. And I'm going to cross off 32. So I'm going to do this one first. I have 6. I'm going to cross off 2, which leaves 4. And I have 4 tens. I'm going to cross off 1 10, or 3 10, sorry, which leaves me with 1. All right, next one we're going to do, this is the last one we're going to do together, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. So I have 37 minus 34. So I need to cross off 4, and I have 3 left. Now if I take away 3 tens, I have 0 left. So the answer is 3. All right, good job, boys and girls. This is really hard stuff, and you're doing awesome. Go ahead and finish this and turn it into your teacher. All right, boys and girls, here we are subtracting more tens. Go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. And then we're going to get started. So yesterday we had the base 10 blocks already drawn for us, but today we're going to do it ourselves. So we're going to start with 78. So draw 78. 7 tens. And 8 ones. Now you're going to cross off 25. So cross off 2 tens and cross off 5 ones. And how many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 53. Good. Okay, so the next one we're going to draw is 45. So draw 4 tens and 5 ones. Now we're going to cross off 13. So I cross off 1 and 3. How many do I have left? I have 3 tens and 2 ones. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing great. Let's go to 42 minus 22. So we're going to draw 4 tens and 2 ones. Now we're going to cross off 2 tens and 2 ones. Do we have any ones left? Nope. We just have 2 tens and, oh, sorry, wrong color. 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay, the next one's a big number. We have 91. So let's draw 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to draw 1. Okay. Now, we're not going to cross off any ones because it says 0 there, but we're going to cross off 3 tens. And let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens, 1 1, which is 60. Okay. Next one we have is 55 minus 32. So we're going to draw 5 tens, 5 ones. We're going to cross off 32. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that means I have 2 tens left and 3 ones. Next number is 55 minus 14. So draw 5 tens and 5 ones. And I'm going to cross off 14. So 1 10 and 4 ones. Let's count how many I have left. 4 tens, 1 1. Okay, my last two problems. 78. Let's draw 7 and 8. And I'm going to cross off just 2 tens. So how many how many tens do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oops, wrong color. 50. And I still have 8 ones because I didn't cross any off. All right. 38 minus 11. So let's draw 30 and 8. We're going to cross off 11. So 1 10 and 1 1. So how many tens are left? I have 2 and 7. Good job, boys and girls.